Okay, I've done numerous researches on YouTube trying to figure out how to get into one of these Winchester safes. And if you have this problem, I'll show you what it's doing. I can push this number. Some of the numbers work and some of them don't. And I've tried. So what I did was I took this off. I was in the process of just cutting the door off, but I took this off. And this is my code. This is one that wasn't working. So I took my knife and it made it work. That one's not working. That made it work. That one's not working. Voila. Well, that didn't do it. Let's try it again. Maybe I got the wrong code. There it is. Hope that helps you.